How to receive phone calls on your iPad. So make sure your iPad is already synced to the same account, your same Apple account from your phone, since your phone is mainly where you can get your calls. So once you have done that, you can go ahead to your phone settings. What you're gonna do now is search for calls inside your phone settings and then scroll down until you find something like this, which is calls on other devices. What you're gonna do now is to toggle this on like so. And as you can see, it will say FaceTime and iCloud must be signed into the same Apple account. So again, make sure you've already done that. And then you will find your iPad option as long as it's both in the same account, and then you can toggle that on. And then finally, you will start receiving calls on your iPad. So that's pretty much how you do that process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.